it going? My name is Sydney. If you're new, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And today I am going to be doing a first impressions and tutorial using the infamous in the indie brand beauty community, the Oden's Eye palette in collaboration with Angelica and Nyqvist. And this is an absolutely gorgeous palette. It's been super hyped, and for good reason. I feel like just even the artwork in the front is just absolutely beautiful. You can see this Hela palette. That's the name of the palette, is the Hela palette, and that is, I think that is the goddess of death in the Nordics mythology. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And the back, you got these shade names right here and some more gorgeous artwork. You open up the palette, you have a nice mirror, and here is the inside of the palette. And as you guys can see, I have swatched this before. I couldn't help myself. It is beautiful. And I did order this palette with the scarf, I think. I don't know if it came with the scarf or not, but it is so cute, and it basically matches what the outside of the palette looks like. It's like a silky material, and I think it looks super cute. I had to use this in the first impressions look. I'm super excited to play with this. First, I am going to give my accessory details. I did tell you guys that this scarf is from Oden's Eye. It came with the palette when I ordered. If you guys do notice something different, I am wearing lashes. I haven't done my eye makeup, obviously. I've done my face makeup and everything, but I did put on my lashes first. And hear me out, I know this is super weird, but when I do my lashes first, for some reason, it like makes it easier for me to do my eyeshadow really well, and I'm not exactly sure why. Maybe it's just kind of like, I really like the way the lashes look on me, and it encourages me to kind of like style around what the lashes look like, if that makes sense. I don't know, but I'm trying it. I'm sorry if this is something that bothers you, but it's something I like. So, okay, if you guys are interested in seeing me do a first impressions tutorial with the beautiful Hela palette, then keep on watching. My plugs are from Gorge Plugs, by the way. I got these also for my boyfriend. He got these for me for my birthday, and they're so cute, and I love them. And yeah, I wanted to wear these for this look. I kind of have something in mind that I want to do already, so hold on tight. We're going to jump into the look. All right, my eyelids are primed as usual using my Glam Icing Eye Primer. And I'm going to start putting this in the inner part of my crease in the shade Underworld, which is this beautiful mustardy, dark chartreuse type yellowy green shade. It's just a very dusty mustard, and it's really cute. I'm going to put that in the inner parts of my crease. As you guys can see, this is really pigmented off the bat. I really love Oden's Eye eyeshadow formula. It's extremely hyped. It is rightfully hyped. It's just such a beautiful formula. It lays on very nicely, and right away you barely have to build it up. It's just right off the bat, just beautiful. And next I'm gonna go in with the shade Ouroboros. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right. I am sorry. This is a dark matte kind of forest green color right here. I'm gonna put that on the outer parts of my crease. Oh, those colors are so cute together. I love it. Ah, so cute. I love experimenting with different color combinations. It's just a lot of fun to see like what kind of stuff like goes with each other, and like how it is like cohesive together in a look. And you know, if it looks weird, you don't have to do it again, but at least you tried. Okay, blend it a little bit more on the edge. It's cute. Love it. It's going exactly how I planned. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade River, which is this gorgeous multi-chrome, or this, I think it's like a duochrome. It's like a, I guess a mauvey purple mixed with like a really pretty iridescent blue color. It's like this one right here. It's really nice shift to it. And I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lid. And first I'm gonna use my NYX glitter primer so I can make my shimmers pop. I've been obsessed with using this lately for my shimmers. It just makes them like so much smoother, and it makes them a lot brighter and more saturated, if you will. And I'm gonna go in with that River shade and put that on the outer part of my lid. It's so pretty. I'm not putting it on the entire lid. I'm gonna stop basically a little bit before the inner part of my lid because I wanna put another color there as well. I'm gonna take my finger and kind of just top off, make it just that perfect pop that I want. Oh guys, that's so cute. I'm excited to see how this look turns out at the end. I love how that goes together so far. It's so cute. I'm excited. Next, I'm going to go in the inner part of my lid. I'm gonna go in with the shade Fluorescence. It's like a shimmery yellow, bright yellow green. Oh, I love this look, guys. This is so cute. I'm really excited. I think it's gonna turn out so cute and it's just gonna all come together. I just feel it. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade Double Sided. Looks like it's a really light golden white shift, like a little iridescent. I'll put that in the inner corner. I feel like it's just going to top off the eye look. So cute. I love it, guys. This is such a cute look. I'm just feeling it. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade, the Ouroboros, that matte green color that I put on the outer parts of my crease. I'm gonna go in and put that in the outer parts of my lower lash line. Looking pretty good. It's looking really cute. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Goddess. I can't try this palette out without trying a pink as well. I'm gonna take that matte pink. I'm gonna put that in the inner parts of my lower lash line. Yeah, I'm feeling it. This is so cute. This is giving me very end of winter, beginning of spring vibes, because you still have the deep and the depthness of the green, and then you'll start to change into the mustardy dark yellow, which is changing into the bright yellow, and then the pop of pink for the spring. So I'm really excited. And now I'm going to add a little bit more because, you know, I'm extra, I have to. I'm gonna go in with one of the glitters from the Amazon glitter kit or glitter pack bundle, whatever, that I got a while ago. And it's this lime green sort of shifty glitter. I'm gonna put that on the outer third of my lid. Take some glitter glue. And let's go in with the beautiful green, the green glitter. not putting too much, but just a little bit, just to kind of make the outside sparkle a little bit, but not too pigmented to where it's blocking the beautifulness of the shadow underneath. Oh, so cute. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. It's so beautiful, guys. I love the way this looks. It makes me look like a beautiful princess fairy with spookiness, of course, because, you know, I'm me. And yeah, oh, I hate when my choker does that. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't say the choker's from Amazon. It's from like one of those like pack of like 12 little simple chokers that you can get. I'll try to find that and link that down below as well with the rest of my stuff that I always link. Yeah, so now I want to find a good lip to go with this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back with the final look, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I love how it turned out. I love how cute it is and very springy vibes, but grungy too, and I'm living for it. For my lips, I decided to do something a little different. I combined two different liquid lipsticks. I used the Sugar Pill liquid lipstick in the shade Vertigo, and I used this because it's a mauve-y purple, but it also has like those blue reflex in it. If you guys can see, it's like has like the blue sparkles coming through, and I thought it went really well with that one eyeshadow, you know, the duochrome that's like the exact same shift. I thought it would be really cute to do those together, and I wanted to make it a little bit deeper, so on the outsides I put the Kaleidos lip clay in the shade Scorpion Fruit, which is basically a matte black, and I put that on a little bit on the bottom of my lips and then a little bit on the top near the Cupid's bow, kind of just to give a little bit more depth to the Sugar Pill one. But I think it looked really cute with my whole entire, you know, ensemble here. And for my liner, I use the Cream Gel ColourPop liner. I use the color Fastly, which is this forest green eyeliner, which of course I thought it went very perfect with the forest green matte on the lower lash line as well as on the outer parts of my crease. I just thought it went absolutely perfect with this. So yeah, that was my first impressions tutorial with this beautiful palette right here. I really love this. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's perfect spring palette, and I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this. I definitely am a frequent green eyeshadow wearer, so I definitely will be using this a lot more. I really love the formula. The only thing that I can say is the shimmers are kind of chunky, so you have to make sure you pack it on, but make sure that you do your base makeup first. That you can like wipe it quick, because I did notice there was a little bit of fallout with the shimmer shades, but other than that, it was just beautiful payoff, beautiful blending, beautiful color story. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so if you do like my content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.